Bring your Zoom recording into Camtasia to remove unwanted sections, fix audio, and add polish so that it is ready to share. To import your Zoom recording into Camtasia, click Import Media and select the Zoom recording you'd like to edit. Click and drag the recording from the media bin to the timeline. If your Zoom meetings are like ours, they probably start off with some conversation about the weekend, stories about our beloved pets, maybe a little bit of "Can you hear me?" or "You're muted." To trim these conversations from the beginning of your recording, place your cursor over the start of the clip on the timeline and drag it until you've removed all the unwanted conversation. To cut out sections in the middle of the recording, place the playhead at the start of the section to be removed. Drag the red or green handle until the unwanted section is highlighted. Then click the Cut button. A line will appear where the cut was made. If you make a mistake, click the Undo button. While recording a Zoom meeting, you might encounter audio from participants where their microphones are really loud or very quiet. To increase the volume, hover over the clip on the timeline. Right-click and select Edit Audio. These waveforms show how high or low the volume is throughout the video. Here I see the waveforms are shorter. Double-click and add an audio point. Add another audio point. Repeat this at the end of the section. Click on the line between the two center audio points and drag it upwards until the waveforms are about the same height as the rest of the recording. Now that we have video and audio all cleaned up, let's add an intro before we jump into the Zoom meeting. Select Library from the Tools panel and click the drop-down arrow next to Intros to view a list of available options. When you've found an intro style you like, click and drag it to your timeline. Customize it in the Properties panel, update the title, and change the colors to match your organization's colors. Transitions help create a smooth flow between clips. There's a jump between the intro and Zoom recording I'd like to fix. Click on Transitions in the Tools panel and select the transition style you like best. Drag it to the timeline and place it where the two clips meet. Preview it to see how it looks. Nice! Now your Zoom recording is ready to share. Click on Export and select an option that works best for you, whether it is to save it locally or upload it to YouTube. If you'd like to learn more about editing in Camtasia, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.